Hello everyone. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to submit your APA paper assignment, as we haven't had one quite like this before. All of our activities and assignments have been in the other links. So I just kind of wanted to go over this with you. So what we're going to do is come into Unit 6, and then we're going to scroll down, of course, to our assignment activity APA style. After we click onto that, you will find that there is a video for our instructions and also 2 PDFs, a sample and our instructions on how to complete the assignment. Click those open. After you've done all that, you will find some tutorials. You're going to find the creating an APA title page, as well as formatting the body text of an APA paper, and then setting up the APA title page and setting up page 2. After you have completed your assignment and you've saved it to your desktop, you will come here to the APA style assignment submission link. You're going to click on that link and this window is going to open. In order to submit your completed paper, you're going to go to this attach file spot, browse my computer. You will click that button and your files will pop up. Please go to your desktop and select the appropriate file. Once you've selected it, you can come down here and you can choose to write comments, or you don't have to. And then you submit your assignment by pressing the submit button. That will get your APA paper submitted to me to where I can get it graded for you. As always, if you guys have any questions on how to do this, please feel free to contact me through email or by phone. But I hope that this little tutorial helped you guys out some, and I look forward to getting your APA style papers reviewed. Have a wonderful day.